sure no one gets hurt.
Do it like the zombies do.
I hope you're open to my advice.
Oh, it's invaluable to us, right?
Sounds like this could be a paradise.
Do it like the zombies do.
Why should we change? They should be like us. Yeah, he may eat brains, but he's got no guts.
He's gone insane, yeah, he's acting nuts. Come on, we've got moves to bust.
What?